little chocolate mousse cakes, which could be found all over the bakeries in Greece. You can tell what they are because they have the most adorable little mouse shapes on top. Now they may seem complicated to make, but you'll be surprised. They only take 3 basic ingredients. So let me show you how quick and easy these are, and let's get started. Alright you guys, so start off this recipe by making some chocolate cake. If you have a favorite recipe, go ahead and use that, but for me today, I'm using a good old-fashioned box of chocolate cake mix. Pour it into 2 parchment lined 13 by 9 inch baking pans, and I'm gonna bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now while that's baking, I'm going to be warming up 2 cups of heavy cream. You're going to mix this just until it starts to simmer and then immediately pour it into a bowl with 500 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is about 1.5 bags. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes, then go ahead and give it a stir. This, you guys, is heavenly chocolate ganache. If you ever wanted to make the best mocha you have ever had in your life, add a spoonful of this to your coffee. Okay, so leave this to fully chill so we can make our mousse. Whip up 2 cups of cold heavy cream, and once the soft peaks form, go ahead and add the fully cooled chocolate ganache to it. You're gonna whip this just until it's combined, and then go ahead and slather this onto a layer of that cake that's been fully cooled and is no longer warm to the touch. Add the second layer on top with some more of that mousse. Now before you slice this cake, pop it into the fridge for a few minutes to harden up a bit, and it'll ensure you'll get some nice clean cuts. Divide the cake into 6 rectangle slices, and for the fun part, pipe 2 little domes on top, and using some melting candies, apply 2 discs for the ears and 1 for the tail. Pop these back into the fridge to fully firm up, and you're gonna make another batch of that chocolate ganache. Allow it to fully cool, then pour it all over these chilled mice. Apply some sprinkles to the sides and finish these up with their cute little eyes. This dessert, you guys, is truly like no other. Pure decadence is the best way to describe it. Store these in the freezer for up to 3 months, so whenever you have some guests over or want a sweet little treat after a long day, pop one of these out to defrost, and life just doesn't get any better. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on my weekly unique recipes.